Hey guys, we are at the Madeira Beach Walk construction site. I wanted to give you guys a quick update. We have prepared the entire site and also poured the foundation. So some of the mini milestones involved in that is first getting all of the permits approved and the plans approved by the city. The second part is getting the construction crew to come out and actually level the entire site. Then the third part is installing the temporary wooden forms for the temporary foundation. And then the fourth part is actually getting the footings in and pouring the concrete, which is where we're at now. So now we're just waiting for the city to come and basically inspect and approve it all. And then we'll get on to the next part, which is going to be the framing, which is our second big milestone. So let me show you guys around, give you a little bit of a closer look, as well as show you up from the drone what things are starting to look like.